Hi, my name is Khadija. Subscribe to my channel, is Big Thunder. So I'm going to be talking about butterflies. The reason that I like butterflies is that the wings are just so colorful and beautiful, and when like the caterpillar turns like a butterfly, it's like I like it. And so like first I'm gonna show you how like a butterfly turns to like a caterpillar turns like into a butterfly. So first the caterpillar eats a lot, and then it builds a cocoon, and then it comes inside the cocoon, and then it takes like a month or anything, and then you'll see the cocoon will break, and you'll see a wing that's trying to break the cocoon, and then the caterpillar becomes to a big like butterfly. Subscribe to my channel and a big thumbs up. Bye!